Most people buy crypto and they just leave it sitting in their wallet. They check the price maybe once a day or maybe once a week and they just hope it goes up. But other than that, it's doing absolutely nothing. It's like a non-cash producing asset. Now imagine this instead. The crypto you already own actually starts working for you in the background, earning small rewards over time, without you needing to trade or consistently watch the market. That's exactly what we're talking about in today's video, because inside the Binance app, there are built-in tools that allow you to potentially earn rewards on the crypto you already hold. And the best part, you can do all of this directly from your phone. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple features step by step so you can understand exactly how this works, and even if you're a complete beginner, this will help you out. So before we jump into it, let's just quickly set the foundation. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency platforms in the world and millions of people use it. They use it to buy crypto, sell crypto, and even store their assets. So if you've ever bought Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency, you've probably used something like Binance before. But here's what so many people don't realize. Binance isn't just for buying and selling. There's an entire section called Earn. And this is where things get interesting and why I like to use the app. Because instead of your crypto just sitting there, you can explore different ways to potentially earn rewards on your crypto. Now, quick and important disclaimer before we continue this video. This video is purely for educational purposes. This is not financial advice. Crypto comes with its own risk. Markets move, things change, so always do your own research before using any of these features. Alright, so let's get into the app. I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do step by step so you can follow along on your phone. So before we can actually start earning, we first need to hold a supported asset, and in this case I'm going to buy a stable coin and I'm selecting USD coin, also known as USDC. Now you might also see other options there called Tether. Both of these are what we call stable coins. And all that it really means is they're designed to stay close to $1. So instead of your value consistently going up and down like Bitcoin or Ethereum or XRP, USDC or USDT stays relatively stable. And the main difference between the two is that USDC is generally seen as more transparent and backed by regulated reserves, while USDT is the most widely used stablecoin with very high liquidity across the crypto market. So both are widely used, they just have slightly different strengths, and for this example, I'm going to go with the USDC. So just to keep things simple, stable, and easy to understand, I'll choose USDC. So I'll enter my amount, confirm the purchase, and now we're ready to start earning. Now that we have our asset, let's move to the first feature, which is Simple Earn. This is by far the easiest place to start, hence Simple Earn, especially if you're new. So inside the app, you go to the Earn section and tap on Simple Earn. Now, when you open this, you'll usually see 2 main types of options, flexible and locked. So let's break that down clearly, because flexible products mean you can withdraw your crypto at any time. So you're still earning rewards, but you're not committing your funds. You have full access whenever you want, and this is great if you're just starting out, or if you want to keep things low risk and flexible so that you can withdraw your money at any time. Now, on the other side, you have locked products. This means you commit your crypto for a fixed period of time. That could be 7 days or 30 days or even longer in some cases. And in return, of course, you'll usually get a higher reward rate. So again, this is a simple trade-off, flexibility or potentially higher returns. Now, here's the important part. This is actually very simple to use. You select your asset, in this case USDC, and you choose flexible or locked I'm going to choose flexible, and you enter the amount you want to allocate and then you confirm. That's literally it. It's not complicated. It's simple. There's not a lot of steps. There's no technical setup. And from that point on, your crypto starts earning in the background. It's like earning interest in a bank account, but backed by crypto. So once you understand this, everything else becomes much easier. The second feature is USD yields. Now, this section is specifically focused on stablecoins. Like the USDC we just bought, we can use this to earn yields as well. So instead of leaving your stablecoins sitting idle, you can explore products that allow you to potentially earn rewards on them. Inside Binance, you can go to the USD yield section, and here you'll see different options available. Each one may have slightly different rates, conditions, or durations, so it's worth taking a moment just to read through all this stuff and what's available so you have a good understanding of it. Now, the process itself is very similar. You select a product, enter your amount, and subscribe. Simple as that. But here's something important to keep in mind. The reward rates you see here can change. They are not fixed forever, and they depend on market conditions at the end of the day. And what's available at that time will also make a big difference. So always check the details before you commit your funds. Alright, now let's look at the third option. The third feature is staking. Now, this might sound a bit more technical, but I'll keep it as simple as possible. Certain cryptocurrencies run on networks that require participants to help validate transactions. When you stake your crypto, you're essentially helping support that specific network. And in return, of course, you may receive rewards over time. So instead of your crypto just sitting there, it's actually being used within the system. And I think that is pretty cool. So now inside Binance, this is very easy to access again. You go to the earn section, tap on staking, choose a supported asset, let's say Ethereum, and you enter your amount and confirm. And from there, your assets are working in the background, and boom, you can start making a good yield. Now, before you jump into any of this, it's important to understand the risks and rewards. Crypto is not risk-free. Values can go up and they can also go down. We've seen this before. Rewards are not guaranteed. Nothing in life is guaranteed. And depending on the product, there may be lock-up periods or conditions you need to understand. And also features and rates can change, and it may vary depending on your specific region. Obviously, we're from South Africa. That's why I'm showing you guys this. So always take a moment and read the details and make informed decisions. If you already hold crypto, it's worth opening the Binance app, going to the earn section, and exploring what's available to you. Get comfortable, educate yourself, and understand how everything works. Then and only then you can build from there. If this video helped you in any way, drop a like, and I'll keep making simple, practical breakdown videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.